Hey y'all, my name is Kennedishianne and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this high curly genie ponytail. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, make sure to keep watching the video. So first I start out with the tangled stretched hair. This is a note heat style for me, so I didn't use a blow dry or anything. I had my hair in cornrows for a few days, let it air dry, took it out, and then brushed it out. But if you want, you can of course use a blow dryer or a flat iron if you want it sleeker. Before I put any gel in my hair, I use just a small amount of oil just to coat my hair so that when I use the gels, there's no flakiness. Now I'm just taking out hairs for my baby hairs. This is going to take a little minute because I'm a perfectionist, so I was trying to make sure that I had an even amount of baby hair on each side. First, I go in with my Edgebooster Gel to just help sleek down my edges. After I sleek my hair down, I just braid the rest of my hair that's out, and then I put it into a small little bun so that it's not showing when I do my ponytail. Then I just take a little silk scarf and I just put it on my hair just to, help it get even more sleeker. The one I'm using, I just ordered off of Amazon. It came with like a pack of 2. They're really nice. I'll leave the link for those too. But the hair that I'm using is the Mastermix Organic Pony Pro Curly, and it's 32 inches in the color 1B. This ponytail is so easy because it is a wraparound ponytail, so it has a clip. You put the clip in like the back of your head, and you just wrap it around like your ponytail. So yeah, and then after I've wrapped it around my ponytail, I take the end pieces and I just use that to cover like the tracks and to make it, I don't know, y'all see what I'm talking about, this right here. So now that I've got the ponytail installed in my head, I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and kind of fluffing it out. But be mindful that this is synthetic hair, so you don't need to fluff it out as much as you want the first day because it will get bigger as you go on. I just wanted it to have a little bit of volume. So if you're looking, it might look like my ponytail is moving, and that's because it is. But that's because I just didn't add any bobby pins when I initially did the style, because I literally did it to go to sleep and I don't like sleeping with a bunch of bobby pins. But of course, add more bobby pins for more security. So now I'm about to go in and do my edges. I use Edge Effect Edge Control. It's like $2 from the beauty supply store, and I think it's the best. Like, this is what I always use on my edges now, and it has no flaking and it has a hold on there, so it's really good. Okay, so after I did my edges, I just realized I was not content with my hair, like with the sleekness of it, and I just prefer when my ponytail matches like my leave out as close as possible. So I just went in with my edge control in the front of my head just to try to get it a little bit more sleek, and it worked. But you don't have to do that part because it was fine before. That was just the extra in me that had to do it. I'm in the street, just relax. Can you not play that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rats. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig, she's telling me. That's like, nah. She's telling me Taya's the best. So my hair is still pretty wavy, but it just is what it is because this is what happens when you don't flat iron it or blow dry your hair. Like, you're gonna have your natural texture. And honestly, y'all, it still looks fine. I asked my mama, she said I'm good to go, so I'm good to go. So yeah. And this is the final look. I'm just adding a few bobby pins to help the front of my head lay down a little bit more. But yes, I love this style. I love this hair. Super easy. Literally took 30 minutes. 10 out of 10. Recommend. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. You know, if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, make sure to leave it down in the comment section. And yeah, you know, see y'all in the next video.